India should take some one-time extraordinary measures to boost the country's economy and to realize the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make India self-reliant and global superpower. We need to provide jobs to poor people and provide credit to farmers and some businesses without straining our internal resources too much. We don't need to overburden our future generations with huge local debt when there is already a flood of global debt liquidity currently. We are on the cusp of new world order. Instead of defending an old order that is collapsing, we should focus on making the new world order just. We must use this once in a lifetime opportunity of excessive global liquidity sparked by a deluge in dollar supply amid excessive money printing by the US Fed and other central banks. We can take the following short term, one time emergency measure to increase money supply in the domestic economy. We have vast dollar reserves and we should use it now more than ever. The price of crude oil has fallen 70% and WTI crude is unlikely to sustain over $30 for long. The best time to use our dollar reserves is now and we should pump the money into the local economy. The Reserve Bank of India can stop buying dollars. The RBI does not need to defend the rupee and dollar exchange rate anymore in these extraordinary times. The US Fed's pledge to provide unlimited stimulus will lead to humongous oversupply of dollar bonds and lack of appetite from big borrowers like China, Middle East and Asia will lead to surge in US treasury yields and consequent weakening of dollar over the next 2 years. India should ease restrictions on external commercial borrowings, allowing all companies to freely borrow from international markets if they can get it. Anyways, due diligence and risk management is the job of international lender, not RBI's. India can do a sovereign bond dollar issue to fund domestic infrastructure building. This can boost economy, create jobs and produce a virtuous consumption cycle. India is going to be a superpower in the new emerging world order. India must negotiate a new, just Bretton Woods deal to reset all reserve and non-reserve currencies according to nation size, demographics, and future potential. India needs to stop worrying about rating downgrades. If rating agencies unfairly penalize India for COVID lockdown to the exclusion of other developed nations, we should refuse to play ball. Rating agencies must acknowledge that India's fiscal position is better than some of the developed nations and it also has greater potential to the world's growth engine. If the Indian economy gets into a severe strain due to lockdown, India can demand recasting and restructuring of some of its dollar debt obligations. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, India today has great diplomatic leverage with the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. As a precedent, Argentina has done this before and it is an accepted tool in international negotiations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.